This is our Pure Zone unit, brand new to the market, so it's a chemical reading device that customers can use effectively to read parts per million rather than ORP.
So actual chlorine?
The actual chlorine, actual sanitizer that's in the water, rather than just the effectiveness. A big benefit of that means that the holiday let market are able to use this product and get the guidelines that are in place at the moment. The ORP systems currently don't. On the app, it also historically tracks everything, so if they do need to present them, they download it from the app.
It will also log the details for them as well as part of the actual
Yeah. So it means that they can store it on the app, and if they do need to print them, they can download it. So how it works, this is the battery pack and the Wi-Fi signal. So this will sit above the water line, and this is the actual reader that sits in the water. This bracket here is just designed to go into the filter housing with this together.
Hidden from the customer.
Hidden from the customer, so they're not looking at it all the time, but it also keeps it out of the way. So it dangles into the water. Here we have our cartridge, and this is what does the testing.
Right.
So here there's 30 tests in here, and each test will do 4 things. First thing it does is calibrate itself. So every time it does a test, there's a calibration. Okay. It then does the sanitizer, the alkalinity, and the pH. All the essentials. The good thing about it is, on the app, we're setting out to do it once every 2 days. Okay. So there's 30 tests in here, so it's 2 months. Customer can adjust that, so they can do it once a day if they need to, or maybe they can make it longer, once a week. So get the cartridges.
And they buy this as a complete replacement unit.
Yeah, so we're selling these in packs of 3. So simply the customer comes, the app will tell them how many tests they've got left, so when they know it's run out, they come, take this one out, get a new one in, they scan the QR code from the app, slide it back in the water.
What's the sort of expected battery life on the water?
We're expecting it to be about 9 months. So the charging is not going to be a regular charging product.
And it'll alert you on the app if it needs recharging?
Yeah, it gives you a battery reading. Yeah.
And past that, is there any cleaning involved with it, or is it just a case of it looks after itself?
It looks after itself. Yeah, there's no probes or anything that you need to clean. So the calcium or anything like that, which is not going to be a problem for it. And like I said, it calibrates itself every test. So the customer doesn't need to do any sort of calibration.
And later on, will this be then able to be linked into the top sides?
Yeah,
the store, for example.
The software is already on the top side. Yeah. So the new interface that we've released has got its own Pure Zone, so the customer doesn't have to use the app.
So it can be standalone.
Yeah. So it's on its separate app. So this can go into any hot tub. So regardless of whatever operating unit you've got, you can put this in there. What we're looking to do, the next stage, is to make an OEM version that's going to be in load.
Very exciting.